from Create with Scrimping Mummy. I'm here to share some information about my kofi. I've updated the way that I do things in regards to membership. Now, I must stress here that if you join a subscription club or a membership club, it is monthly, which means that once you join, there is a recurring fee every month. My fee is £3 a month. So if you joined, for example, on the 20th of February, okay, you pay your first month, and then on the 20th of March, it will automatically take the payment from the same source again. Okay, now if at any point you want to opt out of the subscription service, all you do is click those three lines, find payments, click that, and then when the drop down menu comes, look for subscriptions, and you can unsubscribe at any time there. Okay, that information I have repeatedly said, I've posted it on my site. It's very, very easy to unsubscribe at any time. I can't do it for you. You need to do it yourself. So I've changed the way things are done because when I first started, I didn't expect it to be so popular. We're pushing 500 members, which is just absolutely out of this world. I can't believe it, how popular it is. It's popular for two reasons. One, it's cheap, which means it doesn't mean it's cheap because it's not good quality. I've purposely made it cheap to make it affordable to more people. Not everybody can afford 6 or 12 or 15 or £20 a month, but £3 is within a lot of people's reach. Okay, it is in GBP. The site will automatically transfer it to your own currency when it takes your payment, and you won't get any fees. So previously, you came to my homepage here, and where it says one time and it now says membership, it used to say monthly. Now it just says membership. So if you want to join my membership, okay, if you're new, you need to go to kofi.com direct and create an account and password. It's perfectly safe. All it's doing is saving your information so that then when you make a purchase, Kofi can link you to your purchase. Same as if you want to subscribe to my monthly subscription club, it will link you so that it gives you access. If you do not create a Kofi account and password, you will not be able to open the subscriber content because it won't recognise you. You could be anybody. Okay, so once you've created your account and password with kofi.com directly, you then come to my page. You make sure you're signed in, make sure you can see your name and your face icon. If not, I think you go on these three lines to log in. Mine just has me logged in permanently. Okay, make sure you're logged in, and then you can click membership. Okay, so you click membership and it's there. It's £3 a month. You just click join. If you press show more, it shows you what you get. You get exclusive content. So your exclusive content is digitals that I make specifically for subscribers. Okay, they don't go anywhere else. I don't share them with anybody else. And they're exclusively for you. And those are as and when I make them. Those are what I call additional. Okay, direct messages. You can message me one-on-one. Okay, it's very easy. You can ask me anything, any problems you've got, anything you're not sure of, anything you can't find, you can message me. Any crafty questions, if you need any advice on how to do anything, or purchase advice or anything crafty, I've got lots of experience and I'm quite happy to help you one-on-one. So you've got direct access to me. Okay, you just need to bear in mind that I am in the UK, so if you are not, there might be a time difference, so I might not answer messages immediately, but I do check every single morning as soon as I get up, and I check several times through the day. Okay, my working hours finish about 6 p.m. at night, but if I'm online anyway and you message me, then I will reply. Journaling Joy monthly collections. So those are the monthly collections that I do. I've been doing them since December last year. And we get a full collection every month tailored to that month. You're going to get access to that. If you join today, you'll get access to all the previous ones. Okay, and then moving forward, you'll get them in a timely manner. Free project cutting guide. So whenever I do my folios or boxes, you will get the cutting guides free. Sometimes I do them free anyway. Sometimes I sell them for a small amount on my kofi shop, but members always get them free. Okay, and moving forward, I'm going to be doing albums. So the smaller albums, okay, will also go to members for free. When I do great big elaborate ones, they will not. They will be going for sale. But I'm still in the process of designing, so that's to come in the future. What I also do that I haven't added on here, because it's not something I do every single month, is I do offer discount codes sometimes. I'm going to be doing one in probably next month with 25% off. And when I release new kits in the shop section, I will give my members a discount code. Okay. One discount I did that I'll probably do again before the end of the year is 50% off the whole entire shop. So you could buy everything in my shop and get 50% off. But those are not set in stone. They're not specific dates or specific schedules. They're just as and when. Okay. So another thing that is easier now is if you come to my site and go to the shop section. Okay. We now have a banner across the top, okay? So you can scroll that banner and, for example, we've got their digital ephemera, full journal kit. So you can click so that you're not having to scroll everything. So here I've already uploaded the 3. I thought I'd uploaded another one last night. Maybe this page needs refreshing. I've uploaded the Journal Enjoy collections. As you can see, it says member only. So if you was to click it, then you need to join the club. Okay, now on these ones, okay, I don't do a page by page scroll. So the scrolls are projects that I've completed, so you can see the paper on projects rather than just the sheets. I just think it's more inspiring to see the projects. Okay, and then if you scroll down, there's always a video link, so you can see those pages in real time and my explanation of, you know, how maybe you could use them or what's gone into them. Okay, so let's go back. Can I go back? So the normal shop items that are not the subscription club, you get to scroll and it shows you, not on that one. But you can see there, it's showing you all the pages. Okay, so what else features have we got here? Let me just check. So when you do become a member, all of the main collections are now not in the posts, they're now in the shop. So you don't have to scroll through the shop, through the posts, if you remember, to find those main collections. Only the main collections are going to be on here for you to go and get. So already it looks like some of my members have already gone and downloaded them again. They've had these collections for quite a while on post, so that most people have already got them. But it looks like a couple have been and got them back, got them again. So the other content that I do, other digitals, you know, I give other digitals as well as the main collection. And when I do the cutting guides for members, they will be in the post, still in the post section as they were before. So you need to go to post, and as you can see here, we've got some with that symbol there. Oops, let me go back. We've got some with that symbol there, which means it's subscriber only, it's locked. Okay, so if you remember, I will still put cutting guides, extra digitals, and any information about anything else will still go in those private posts. And the reason I'm doing that is and the reason why I'm not also sharing, let me go back to shop, every single page on here of my collections for Journal Enjoy is just to reduce copyright issues. If I don't post the pictures, they're harder to lift and other people to use them, so you can view them on YouTube, okay? Because I want these to be really exclusive just to you, okay? So that's why we've not got those. So this month's is the Spring Blossom. It's a beautiful collection. Also, I do tutorials on all of the collections, the Journal Enjoy collections, I always do tutorials, special cover tutorials. We'll have some sort of folio tutorial. You know, I don't just put the kits down and then leave you to go away and do what you want with them. I share lots and lots of information on how you can use them. So that's just the important information regarding my Ko-fi, the differences. Now, if you're already a member, okay, you don't need to do anything. You will automatically just be transferred to membership status. There's only the one tier. I'm not doing this tier for that tier for the other, £3 for this, £12 for this. It's a lot of work to keep up with. I'd rather just do the one tier, give everybody the same thing and get a good bargain. Okay, I'm not out to make millions of pounds. I do it mostly for fun. And if I make any money, that is an added bonus. So yeah, there's just the one tier and you will get access to everything. Everybody gets the same. There was one more thing I wanted to mention and I can't remember what it was. It's gone now. My brain's gone. What was it? I should have written a list. Oh yes, so if you're already a subscriber, you don't need to do anything. But if you then choose to unsubscribe, then when you want to rejoin, you need to go via that new membership button, okay? Or you can click membership there, okay? And it will come up. Okay, so that's how we're doing it now. We're not doing the monthly donations. We're doing a specific membership button there. That's all you need to press. Okay. I will tell you that if people purchase duplicates of things on my kit, on my shop, I will refund them. If for some reason membership is charging you twice, the only reason it would do that is because you've set up more than one membership, I can refund it. It's absolutely not a problem. I never quibble anything. Any quibbles, disputes, anything like that, I just settle them straight away. I think I've had, how many disputes have I had? I've had 2 disputes so far. One was a lady who accidentally paid hundreds of pounds for a collection and I just refunded it straight away. She obviously opened a PayPal dispute because clearly that was, you know, a big shock for her to have accidentally paid. I think she accidentally paid over £200 for something that should have been £2. So obviously I just accepted that as quick as I could so that she got her money back. Another person opened a dispute saying they didn't know it was a monthly recurring thing, which they did because I had spoken to them several times and refunded them several times because they kept subscribing and not creating a password, so then they couldn't get access. And every time they did it, I refunded them. They did it again and decided to open a dispute on me, which is not a problem. I just closed the dispute by saying, yeah, let them have a refund. But that lady's name is now in a little book and I will not let that lady join my subscription club again. It's unfair, it's added stress, and when you put a dispute on somebody, it halts all of the payments. I mean, it didn't hold my payment for more than 10 minutes because I just accept it and closed it. I'm not about arguing over money. It's really not that big of a deal to me. You know, if somebody buys a kit from me and pays £2 or £3 for it and then wants to raise a dispute, that's up to them, but they'll only do it the once because I won't allow them. I won't accept them again. Same with membership. They'll only do it the once because the name goes in a book and they won't be allowed to join. So, you know, it's one of them. It comes part and parcel, but it's not worth getting stressed over. If you're running a business and somebody opens a dispute over something digital, just give them the money back. Just let them have it. It doesn't matter. But just make sure that they're not able to purchase again. Obviously, if you're selling physical product and you've shipped something, then I would have fight tooth and nail for it. But I'm not fighting tooth and nail over £2 or £3. It's not worth it. So that's where we're at. Okay, and I think it's just going to make things more streamlined for members. The whole reason I've done it is to make it easier for my members. So all you need to do now is click the shop button and the member only main collections are on there. I'm not putting all the member things in the shop or my shop will be absolutely bursting because over the past year and a half I've given an awful lot. So some things you will still have to scroll the post for, but all the main things will be on here. So I hope that helps. I hope it helps members, because that's the main reason I've done it. I hope it helps explain what my membership club is all about. And for just £3 a month, I think it's pretty good. There's nearly 500 people that will agree. So that's it for today. I've finished waffling. Thank you for your time. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.